Hello everybody, go watch the original video of me replacing this turn signal switch. So I'm going to go over what happened so you guys will be prepared for buying new stuff on the internet. So what I had to do was cut the plug. Why the fuck not? Let's make it so fucking, let's make the connection so fucking small. It just does not plug in. Good job. Good job. So yeah, I had to cut the plug off of the new harness and use the plug off of the old harness. It's actually another wire. It's just not cooperating. So yeah, I had to cut the plug off of this old harness so it would work. So I was like, man, why is this not going in? These connections were too small. And now that I know how to take this apart, I can do it again. Hopefully next time, maybe the next turn signal switch will fucking go in. So, yeah, no harm done, no big deal. It's just really kind of made me kind of mad and brand fucking new. Brand fucking new. And I had to cut the plug off to throw another plug on so it would work. But it works. I got left turn signal, right turn signal, left turn signal, right turn signal, hazards, both with the lights on and off. So we're good.